and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to put up lily seeds which I got from the RHS Lily Group. The RHS Lily Group has a seed distribution every year in early spring or January, and here you can, if you are a member, you can order lily seeds which are not in commerce, lily species and subspecies. And it's a great opportunity to become a member at any time of the year, so you can enjoy our publications and Zoom sessions, so you are very much welcome. Today I'm going to put up plants which needs a light soil, and they don't mind that the soil is a little bit alkaline. You can see that my hands are bleeding. It's normal because I just mixed in 1.2 cubic meters of soil, that is about 317 gallons. So I have my 9 centimeter pots here, which are around, I believe, 3.5 inches, and I'm just going to fill the pot with soil and start sowing. I have my etiquettes, labels here, because we always have to have an etiquette, and I'm just going to sow the seeds on top. This is a well moistened soil, and I'm going to sow the seeds. Lily seeds doesn't last long, so what I usually do is I sow the seeds immediately or store them at -20 degrees Celsius in a freezer. So of course you have to have the seeds totally dry, otherwise they are going to go bad. So what I usually do is, when I harvest my lily seeds, I clean them when they're dried, and then I store them immediately at -20 degrees Celsius. Some oats, very nice. Ooh. I have some stray seeds. So lily seeds should be covered thinly with the substrate, and I will put them in this crate. You see, it goes very quickly, but it takes a lot of time for me to make all these labels, because my handwriting is horrible and nobody can read it. I can't read my handwriting, so I print it and laminate it. Just cover them very thinly, and of course I will water them. And this year I'm testing 9 different soil mixes for lily seed germination. For example, what I know already is that Orientals and North American species, Nomocharis, they all need acidic soil to grow well, and there are different times to sow the seeds to get optimal germination. So what I usually do is I sow Martagons at the end of August, early September, and I sow North American species and Orientals in September, late September or early October, because they need a cold period to germinate, and the seeds what I'm sowing now, they don't need a cold period for germination. They just need some nice warm period. Oats need a little bit cooler temperatures to germinate, but I'm going to keep the seeds outside. So we had some serious frost last week and this week, So I was lucky that I didn't sow my seeds earlier, because they would have died, or I would have had to bring them inside. I also decided to sow seeds of Candidum in autumn, because it's a Mediterranean species and they like to germinate in cooler temperatures, and they germinate immediately, but they are going to overwinter in a one leaf or cotyledon stage. And of course, RHS Lily Group is not just going to distribute species lily seeds. There are also some nice hybrids which are donated by our members. So join us to have access to these wonderful opportunities. And I like P9s, because 9 cm pots, because I can have 24 pots in a Dutch lily crate, so that's also nice. This year I'm also going to try different soil mixes for Oriental hybrids, because some people, and also I, have difficulty in keeping Orientals, and I want to solve this problem. You can see that some lilies make these dark seeds. Anastasia, it's a very nice hybrid, I very much like it. But the ones I have in my garden are all triploids, so they don't set seed. Okay, I have to stop a little bit because my back is tired, but I'm going to continue with all these seeds, and I will keep you updated how they germinate and how they grow. And I also saw seeds last year from the RHS Lily Group, which were very nice. In September and October I store my seeds at an unheated house, so they are kept frost free, and when the weather gets warmer a little bit, I'm going to put them outside in these crates and start watering them. And of course I'm also going to apply some fertilizers, controlled release fertilizers, and maybe I'm going to give them some foliar feeding. So thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.